Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the continuation of lesson number 6. So we are going to discuss about part 5 in lesson number 6, which is enhancing and printing a document. And in that, enhancing your document, we have three types to enhance our document. Okay, so a document will be in fully in the form of text. So instead of having text, so in between you can also add pictures, or you can add some shapes. You can create some shapes and you can add text inside your shapes. And then we are going to see how to type special characters, so those characters which are not in our keyboard. So first one is how to insert a picture. OpenOffice Writer has the ability to insert and edit images in more simple way. The picture gallery of the writer consists of a collection of images from which the desired images can be selected and inserted into the document. To insert an image from a file, the steps are follows. So the steps are, so first of all we should place our insertion point where our image should be, or where our picture should be inserted, and you should choose insert menu. From insert menu you should choose picture, and from picture you should choose from file option. Okay, so once if you choose this, you will get this insert picture dialog box, and from where you can choose the pictures from your computer, from in which folder you have having your photos. Okay, see, for example we will see it. So this is our OpenOffice Writer. So if I want to add a picture here, so I will move my insertion point to the desired location, and then insert. So insert picture from file. Okay, so click it, and I am having a picture in my desktop. So I am choosing my desktop, and this is the image. So open. So your image will be placed. Okay, and this if you see here at the corners, you will have this small green color box, and if you move your cursor, it will change into a double-headed arrow mark. So this is called as transformation. This is for transformation, to reduce or to increase your image size. Okay, just click here and just drag it, so your image size will be reduced. Okay, so you can reduce it to your desired size. Okay, and then if this four sided arrow marks comes, means it's used to click and drag the images where you want. Okay, so even you can place here, just drag it and you can move the image. So this is how you should add an image in your OpenOffice Writer. Then the next one is, so how to insert special characters. So many symbols which are used in mathematical equations like alpha, beta, gamma, pi. So these are all the characters which you can't type or you can't see in our keyboard, on the standard keyboard. Okay, so however, if you want to type these characters, and it's very simple in Writer, so what you should do is, so place the insertion pointer in your document where you want to type the character, and you click insert, the same menu option insert, and in insert you should choose special characters. Okay, so this is the special character dialog box, and here you can see some of the special characters which are available here. Okay, so see here again we will start it with an example. So if I want to type here as sign, so here I want the theta symbol. Okay, so what I should do is I should choose insert, and in insert it is special characters, and this is special character symbol dialog box. Okay, so here if you drag it, you can see lots and lots of special characters which are available. Okay, here you have n number of special characters. From this special character you can choose whatever symbol you want. See you have special characters here. Okay, so all these are special characters here. So how many special characters you have? Okay, so if you want some other special characters also, you can choose it. Okay, see here. So theta, and this is your Unicode. So this is the character number Unicode for this special character. If you just click OK, so here you will have your special character inserted. Clear? Then the next one is, we are going to see how to insert shapes and symbols. Okay, so we are going to see how to insert shapes and symbols. So for that we should choose view, toolbars, drawing. Okay, so view, toolbars, drawing. So if I want a special character to be inserted here, so view, so I already selected this view, toolbar, and see here drawing is selected. So if your drawing toolbar is not here, again press view, so toolbar, so inside drawing. So always this drawing toolbar will be at the bottom of your document. Okay, so here you can see line tool, rectangle, ellipse tool, text tool, so callouts. Okay, so some of the basic shapes like this. See here you have some of the basic shapes, and you have smileys option too. Okay, so you have lots of cloud image, and some of the callouts like this. Okay, so star shape. So this is free and free form line, so you can even just draw lines so according to your wish. Okay, so this is like a pencil tool, it will act as a pencil tool, so it is used to draw freehand drawings. Okay, so this is how your drawing tool and your shape tool works. Clear, children? And if you want to change the color also, you can change. Just select it, and here you will have your fill color. So here you can choose it. Okay, the desired colors you can choose here from here. Okay, so like this you can create your own document in a beautiful manner, and to attract the readers also, you can make use of this inserting shapes or inserting pictures like this. Okay, children, I hope so you will not have any doubts. And the last one which we are going to see is inserting auto text option. So this auto text option allows you to assign text, tables, graphics and other items to a key or a key combination. Okay, so for example, rather than typing Tamil Nadu every time you use that phrase, you might just type TN and press F3. Okay, so you can also save a formatted tip as auto text and then insert a copy by typing tip and pressing F3 option. So we will see it with an example. Before that, we will see the steps how to add the text in auto text dialog box. So first we should type the text into our document, select the text so that it is highlighted, select edit auto text or press Ctrl F3. Okay, so we will see step by step. So first is type the text into your document. So for example, if I want to type so if I want to type Pondicherry, so Pondicherry, Pondicherry. So first I typed it, and then next one is I have to select the text. So I selected the text, and then the third step is edit auto text or press Ctrl F3. Okay, so I will press Ctrl F3 in my keyboard. So Ctrl plus F3, and here you can see the auto text dialog box. So here what you should do is you should type the word. So here it is Pondicherry, Pondicherry, Pondicherry. So here automatically the shortcut will be displayed. So it is P. If you want to add even some other words also, you can add. So even you can add PO or like that. So by default it is the first character which is the shortcut letter. Okay, So now what you should do is you press auto text option here, the inverted triangle auto text option. Okay, so we will see the next slide. So the fourth one is enter the name for your shortcut. So writer will suggest a letter shortcut which you can change. Okay, so that's what I said here. So it will automatically suggest a word here, a letter here. You can change it. Okay, so click on the inverted arrow of the auto text button on the right and select new text only from the menu. So this is the auto text option, and here you can see the inverted triangle mark, and from here you should choose new text only, new text only. So click close to return to your document. So once you do that, the word will be added here in your auto text option. Okay, so here it is added, Pondicherry, and the shortcut will be highlighted. So see here, if I select this word Pondicherry, the shortcut for the word Pondicherry is P, and for Chennai it's C. Now what you should do is, now you close your dialog box. Okay, you close it, and then once the entry is created to insert the auto text into the document, place the cursor where the text is to be inserted and click Ctrl plus F3. Now what you should do is, now you just press P. Okay, so you just press P and you press Ctrl plus F3. So your dialog box opens, and you just press this Pondicherry and you give insert. Okay, or it's not even necessary to type it. So you have the insertion point where you want to have the text to be typed. You just press Ctrl plus F3, your dialog box opens, and from there you can choose and give insert option. That's it. Okay, so that's what is given there. So select the name from the list of entries and click the insert button. The auto text is inserted into your text. So it is very easy. So today we discuss about how to insert text in auto text option, how to insert a picture, how to draw shapes and how to draw shapes, and how to draw freehand drawing, and how to insert special characters and special symbols which are not inside in our keyboard. So I hope so you will understand these concepts. So go through all these 3 questions thoroughly, children. The rest of the things we'll see in the next class. Thank you.